During the autumn when feeding, wasps are often a real problem with robbing hives. We've developed this Wasp Out, and this is how it is fitted into the entrance. With a Wasp Out in place, you'll find that wasps, when they, or predator bees, when they are attacking the hive, will hover around the perforated panel in the middle of the Wasp Out. The bees, actually in the hive, exit left and right and avoid the robber bees. The front of the Wasp Out can easily be removed for cleaning. It just slides off very easily. And at either end you can see there are some dowels which act as mouse guards, preventing mice accessing the hive as well. So there we are, that is the Thorne's Wasp Out.